Assalamu alaikum class 3. We are studying unit number 6 geometry. Today we are going to start the exercise number 2, in which we have to identify the following as line segment and tree. Here some lines are drawn and you have to label which is a line segment, tray or line. So before solving this exercise we have to know the idea about the line segment and array. So let's start. What is a line? If they are the 2 points, they both are connected, and after these points there should be a arrow head on the both sides. This is called a line. And a line doesn't have a well-defined points, but a line segment have the same and well-defined point. And array where there's a point on the one side and the arrowhead on the other side. This is called a array. So let's start to solve the exercise number 2, where you can see there's a arrowhead point here. So this is called a line. And in question B, there's not a arrowhead on the both sides. So this is called a line segment. In question C, you can see there's only a point on the one side and there's a arrowhead on the other side. So this is called a array. In question D, there's not a arrowhead on the both side. So this is called a line segment. And the question E, you can see same as there's a one point on the other side, arrow. And in question F, there's also a point and the arrowhead on the both sides. So this is called a line. Simply as we can say, if there is a line, there are 2 points. This is called a line segment. And if you see, there is a line and there are points and also a arrowhead on the both sides. This is called a line. And if you see, there's a line, there's only an arrow one side and the other is a point. So this is called a ray. In exercise number 3, write the names of the shapes and the number of their sides. So let's start to check the shape name and their sides. This is a rectangle and the sides of the rectangle are 4. And this is a triangle and the sides of the triangle are 3 as 1, 2, 3. And the other shape which is given in the exercise, that is square, and the sides of the square are the same as 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So write question A. A has a rectangle shape, so its sides are 4. And question B, this is also a rectangle shape and their sides are the same as 4. So next one, C has a square shape and its sides are 4. Same as the question I. This is a triangle shape and their sides are 3. So students, as same, you have to check the shape and write their sides, and you have to solve the question A to J by yourself. In exercise number 4, write the center, radius and diameter of the following circles. There are some circles are drawn and we are going to write the center of the circle, the radius and diameter of the circle. You can see here it's a circle and the center of the circle, that point which is in the center of the circle. So O is a center of a circle. Next, radius, the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. You can see the distance from point O to A and point O to B. So they are the two radius of a circle. As you can say, from point O to A and from point O to B. So these are the radius of a circle. So the diameter is a line segment that connects the 2 points on a circle and passes through a line center of the circle. So the diameter of the shape is JK. Center of this circle is M and the radius of the circle start from MK, ML and MJ. And the diameter is only J to K. So students, in question bank exercise there are some questions given from B to J. You have to solve by yourself. Just label the what is the center of the circle, what is the radius and what is the diameter of the circle. Okay, Allah Hafiz.